morning, friends! Welcome to the vlog. So today is already Monday. July 30. Why I'm so in a hurry getting to August? So it's July.
Balik niyo manok.
Ingon man ka, palit ng manok. Hey friends! Good morning and welcome to the vlog! So, today I'm here at my salon and this is Rookie's house actually. This was their house when he was small. So we're here and nandito ako sa taas kasi I'm gonna check condition here. Medyo ano na guys, madumi na. My sister Sharon is gonna be renting this place dito sa taas ng ng salon ko kasi walang nag-rent dito guys. So they will be renting this one. I don't know yet if they will be renting the two room. Which room are they going to use? This one or the other one? Yeah. So yeah. So I'm just checking kasi before we replace the floors guys kasi may ANAY na. And yeah. I can feel na talaga may part na medyo ano na siya guys. O dito sa bandang to. Medyo hollow na. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Oh, I feel scared. Baka naman suta ko sa baba. But yeah, ang bilis ng ang bilis ng ANAY kumain dito. Is it here? So yan. Grabe, ang bilis ng So, they will be coming here or occupying. Anong taon yan? Basta they will be transferring here mga mid-August. Yan, because they need to finish their rent doon sa kabilang apartment. So, yeah, dito, this is a very suitable place for them kasi malapit lang sa Kulon, center ng Cebu. So, yan, maraming mga jeepney. They will not be having hard time, especially Sharon to go to her work kasi maraming mga jeepney na dumadaan. And yun nga, malapit lang sa Kulon. If you have a hard time, like, you know, commuting, then you can walk through Kulon. To Kulon pala. So, yan. And there's not much to clean kasi lang, wala. It's empty. It's empty yung upstairs. All they need to do is, you know, clean the dust. Yung mga dust, tsaka cobwebs lang. Yun lang. And I'm just checking the flooring, guys. Dito, hindi masyado, but this part here, medyo na talaga siya. Halo. Eto di. Oh my God. Ang bilis ng ANAY. Grabe, para sila piranhas. Oh my god, it's so sweaty here. I mean it. So yun, and today also I will be doing hair rebond on Baba and keratin on Sashi, and I'll be cutting mother's hair, and I will be doing also hair color in her hair because her gray hairs are really this long na. Mga 2 inches na guys. Ang bilis sumaba ng hair ni mother. So yeah, this is the room. Dalawang rooms pala dito sa taas. Oh my god, there's part talaga na parang wala ng laman guys. Here medyo okay, but doon. Yeah. So, I'm gonna finish cleaning doon sa salon and I'm gonna start doing Baba's hair. I think kasi mas matagal yung rebond. Madali lang yung keratin. So, I'm gonna see you later, friends! Bye! Nga mo limpyo? Nagoy! Sakpan! Oh, grabe yung snacks, mandayon. You finish cleaning? What about you? What about you? What about you? What about me? So, we are going to do rebond and Baba. Keratin on ate. Paulit-ulit na lang, no? I already told him earlier. So, we are going to start na guys, and my cameraman, ikaw? Was. Wala. So, we are going to start na. I'm gonna start with Bobby kasi mag-11 na guys. And para matapos kami by 5 because the dog will be going crazy na if we come home late. The cameraman and I hope na okay yung pag-shoot niya kasi did you know? Did you know? Side comment. Tarunga ha? Oy. Tarunga. Wala. Uy, kang kinay na. Uy, may labot imong bungot. So, we are going to start. At si mother, wala na. Nag-going crazy na sa paglimpyo doon. Ano? Nandiyan na. Adik sa paglinis din. So, yan. Magsa-start na kami. So, I'm done. Hindi makita. So, I'm done applying the first cream or the straightening cream sa hair ni Baba, guys. And I'm just going to relax and wait for 30 minutes for it to rinse or depende sa hair niya. Yeah, but usually 30 minutes lang yung hair ni Baba kasi virgin hair. No color and something like that. So, yeah, I'm just chilling and I'm drinking Mountain Dew. Yeah. I don't know if I'm going to start with Ati's hair, but okay na. Later na lang, para maybe I will do Ati's hair, then mother's hair together kasi keratin yung sa kanya. Keratin, it takes time to leave the keratin into the hair, mga 45 to 1 hour. So, maybe I'll just do mother's hair and Sashi's hair together. So, mag-chill muna ako, guys. I'll go to Instagram or I don't know. I'll just drink my Mountain Dew kasi ang init. Kita niyo yung ano ko? yung grabe sweat ko, guys. I still have a lot of breakouts around my hairline, gabi, but it had faded a little. No, hindi na masyadong marami, but still have other new breakout. So, yan. So, mag-chill muna ako. I'm so sorry if maingay dito, guys, kasi maingay talaga dito. Maraming, malapit lang kasi kami sa daan, kaya, maingay talaga siya. Maraming mga dumadaan na tricycle, mga jeep, not jeep, no jeep, but yung mga, cars. Yan. So, I'm just gonna chill and wait for Baba's hair to process, and then we are going to rinse. Yeah. We're going to rinse ang ingay, di ba? May nagdag. So, I'm gonna see you later. And after rinsing, and I'm going to flat iron her hair. Busy na. Nalinis na niya lahat, guys. Na-over na. Ito pala yung likod. Wala kasing gumagamit, kaya ito flatter. And then another, starting to clean everything. And then sa taas sila, Sashi na kasi. May dumaan na mais, yung suki namin. May suki pala kami dito na, guys, mais. Tapos yan, bumali ako ng, bigat 5, kasi 5 kami yung bigat. Ang init. Diyos ko, Lord. Yan. Kasi dito din kami magla-lunch. It's almost 12. Dahil you're gonna eat lunch. May baon kasi kami. Bumili kami ng puso doon sa may Hayalay. And then, bumili din kami ng lechon manok. Tapos nagluto kami ng lumpia. Yan. Tapos may mais from snacks. It's almost 12 na. Maybe, si ate at saka si Ruki or si, hindi na kami sabay magkakain because, I'm still working on Baba's hair. There is Baba, busy sa kanyang game. Ayan, so I wanted to eat the mais now. Yeah. Kakain na lang ako kasi kakain na muna ako ng mais, no? Kasi I still have 15 minutes before I, finish or rinse Baba's hair. Maybe that's what I do. Waiting for another 10 minutes on Baba. I'm just going to clean this up and get this ready for our next application. Tapos na kami mag-neutralizer ni Baba, guys. We're almost finished and kakain na muna kami kasi we're so hungry. It's already 2 p.m. Ayan na si Baba. Kain na siya and yeah. Kain muna kami ng lunch. Mabilisan lang because 15 minutes lang yung window para to rinse the neutralizer. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat quick and our food is that one, lechon manok and lumpia nga. At saka may puso din kami. So, kakain muna ako guys. Kasi 15 minutes lang yung free time ko. So, I'll see you later. So, naka-treatment pa yung buhok ni Baba. Nandun si Baba. Almost there. So, naka-treatment. Kain muna. Wow, ang ingay. Kakain ako ng mais. Kasi I'm so hungry. Next na malapit si Mother. Si ate. Nami, nidiri kayo humba. Sarap! Guys, so finally, na si ate, naka-wrap na siya. Pwede na siyang pang-gift. And then next na si Mother, haircut and color, di ba?
Look at ito at uman.
Look at it at uman. Oh, grabe, na. 4:45 na. So, magsa-start na kami para makauwi na kami by mga 6 o'clock. Yan, mga ganyan guys. So, I'll see you later sa bahay or maybe I'll show you later sa buhok ni Mother. Okay, bye! Yan yung hair ni Mother guys. Mahaba na yung yung ikot niya. Tapos marami ng uban and hair too. Diba? Grabe. She looks so old na. So, mag-haircut muna kami and then I'm going to color her hair. Ayan. Mother's hair is... Mother's hair. Color. Yan yung color ni Mother. And we will wait mga 45 minutes. Mag-rinse na.
Product.
Oh, ha?